you grab the key? Yeah, I'm gonna grab it. You can grab it if you want. No. Put it in here. Extra clothes? What is all this? Oh. Mosquitoes. Okay.
This has been the best ride so far.
Yeah.
$100 I just dropped the key inside.
Yeah.
Yeah, $120.
Are you kidding me? I locked the key inside. For
This way. We'll get the number you can call the front desk.
oh, the front desk here.
Over there and maybe
All the way back?
somebody over there.
No, we'll go there. We can go. Mike. I hate that. Michael. You just say? We've already been what?
We've already been through the lost keys once.
And what are we doing right now?
We're going back to get a motel key because we came out and locked my keys and the room key in the room because we're not very smart.
Oh,
Job, Matt.
They kind of locked on me a second and walked out late.
yeah, no, we got that. It's just, I just spilled this. It's like an idiot.
Okay, let's go. We'll go get another key.
Yeah, so
I think I'm going to attach it to my tongue or something. Okay, just run in and grab a key. 112. Like, probably they only have one.
Well, for sure they don't only have one.
Okay, 112. Go get the key.
ugh, they're going to ask you.
Whatever, just tell them 112.
I'm disappointed, Michael. I'm disappointed. Hi there, yeah, we locked the key in J112.
You have the key inside the room?
Yes. We were loading it up and Mike was not paying attention.
We have one left.
Okay.
You didn't miss it, okay?
Well, we're not
I
very...
just note here that we issued you 2 keys already.
Yes, it's
Under
official.
Michael Hall, right?
Mike Hall, yes. Rust Valley Restorers, yes. He's my worst nightmare right now. Last key. Michael, it's the last key. She said don't.
Okay. Well, maybe they should get more cut.
But maybe, well, because people should be.
Well, how often do people? And they shouldn't have doors that smell right. We closed it because of the mosquitoes, right?
You left them open. Oh, I shut it.
Yeah. Oh, it's your
No, you were out
fault.
last. No, you were out last.
your fault.
No, you shut it.
You're just trying to deflect.
I think you are. I think we both are.
Just want to genuflect, pray, and go to bed. We didn't buy a toothbrush. Day 6.
Left. Okay. It ain't the Ritz that'll do, or the Fairmont.
Okay, where's the box? Where did I put the box?
Where'd you put the key? What box?
I got a key.
What box?
The key box. I took the spare keys.
Oh, Jesus Christ. There you go. There's so many mosquitoes you left in, despite locking the keys in. Like, what the hell?
Where's the other set of car keys?
I don't know, man.
Hey, where the fuck's the other set of keys? Oh, Jesus Christ.
Oh, the car keys.
They're right here.
There's one set.
They're right by
There's
the
one
other
set
of
here.
keys. Okay, there. 2 sets. 1, 2. Okay.